All right, so here we go, man. Very first accessory video for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now, I'm not sure if this is the first accessory that's going to be posted. It might be, it probably is, because we just unboxed the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And guess what? That front screen does not come with a included screen protector. So the Spigen, you know I had to go out there and get the Spigen Easy Fit, man, because that's the screen protectors that I use for all my devices that's flat-faced, all right? We're not going to talk about curved, but everybody that has a flat face, that's what I use on my iPhone 13 series. This is what I use, and I absolutely love it. Saw they had one for the Z Fold 4, so I was like, let me go ahead and get it because I got to have something on this screen, all right? So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's slide this to the side. As you can see, Glas.tR Easy Fit. Now, this is a one-pack, all right? I was hoping this was going to be a two-pack to give us just two in the pack in case we mess one up, but this is going to be just one, all right? So you've got to make sure you do it right, and we're going to try to step through the instructions so you can get your best installation as possible on your Z Fold 4, all right? So let's go ahead and get into the packaging. And do we have any plastic? Nope. So we're straight in, all right? So we are jumping straight in. So you actually get a few things that comes with this, all right? So let's throw all that out. So right here, you're going to get a little Spigen envelope, and let's just see what's in here. All right, you're going to get a lens wipe. Okay, so you get all your cleaning accessories in here, so which is going to be your lens wipe, your stickers, and your microfiber cloth to kind of wipe that screen down and get it all clean. You do have a hinge film, all right? So if you want to put a film on the hinge, I don't know if I'm going to do it. I may do it, or I might do it a little bit off camera, but if you do want to protect the actual hinge of your Z Fold 4, they have a little film that's going to go over the hinge, which I feel like is a nice little addition right there. Just throw in real quick, all right? You got your instructions, but if this is anything just like any of the other Spigen screen protectors that I've used, I shouldn't have to look at that, all right? Let's see if my expertise in installing screen protectors can carry me over into the foldables, all right? So you already know, yep, it's exactly like I would expect, man. You peel this off, it's going to be the auto alignment frame. So first things first is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and grab a lens wipe, all right? So let's go ahead and get a wipe. That's always going to be the first thing that you want to do. And you're going to wipe your actual screen down to make sure there's no debris on it. I shouldn't have a ton on mine because I literally just took it up out the box, all right? And I always recommend you cutting your actual phone off before you get to this step because you don't want your phone to be, you know what I mean, on, so you really can't see what's going on. So wipe your screen down like such, all right? And then you're going to want to take one of these little microfibers, you know, and just go over your screen, make sure there's no smudges, no debris, no dust, or anything like that on your screen, all right? All right, so there you go. And then before you set it down, I like to just run over it and look. Look to see if there's any dust or any particles on this screen before you set it down to get ready to apply and put the auto align up there to install the screen protector. So just run over it real quick. And mine looks fairly clean. I'm not seeing any dust particles or anything like that. Now, one thing that I can already you got to be careful with is this thing does rock when it is on the ground like this. So please be careful when you are talking about putting your installation frame. Now, we're going to move this right here. One thing I always tell you to do is it has the back. So you're going to peel this back sticker. Always, once you start peeling it, and let me be able to grab it to make sure I'm peeling the right one. Always be careful because it might try to grab the actual top film. So let me pull back on camera and let me make sure that I'm pulling the right one. All right. All right. So what you want to do is once you start pulling, flip it over so you don't get any dust or any debris on that screen protector. All right. And basically what you want to do is you want to just lay it down on the fold screen itself, and it's going to say press and slide and wait 30 seconds. All right, so we want to press and slide. So you just want to press it, slide your finger down, and in between you can kind of see the screen protector kind of doing this thing. You're starting to see it here in a few different places, so you can kind of slide it up and down if you want. I'm not sure if it matters that big of a difference, but that's basically the way it does. Press and slide, put it up there, and then you're just going to wait. It says wait 30 seconds, but I normally don't wait 30 seconds. You guys can wait 30 seconds if you want to. Just from my experience, it's usually all good, all right? And you're going to say remove here. It says remove from this place right here, all right? So you want to peel it, hold it down, and basically remove it, and then push your finger there and take it off the actual screen, all right? So you're going to basically see it like that. And you can kind of smear the little places out that you may see that could be up there still. Kind of smear them out. But once you unpeel it, There it is. You should have a perfectly installed screen protector, and kind of adhere the edges. If you see them kind of sticking up a little bit, just go around it and then pop it up there. All right. So you have a perfectly installed Spigen tempered glass screen protector on your Z Fold 4. Now, as you can see, it does leave room on the edges. So if you do want to use a case, you do have the edges that goes all the way around it, but you need some type of protection on the front of your Z Fold 4. All right. You just need it. I'm a person, if you can put a screen protector up there, look, put a screen protector up there and just be safe. All right. Because most of these days, just about all of them, the quality is super clear. It doesn't mess with your selfie quality. And as you can see right here, it basically covers the entire screen. You know, it covers the whole camera and everything. So it doesn't affect your quality, the touch sensitivity, everything like that works just fine. And I just want to demonstrate to you right now with this screen protector on, just pressing that works just fine. All right. So we can agree to that, agree, and and then we can hit agree. So pressing all of those buttons, not affecting the actual nothing is affecting it. All right, you can type my password into my Wi-Fi, everything like that. You good to go. You don't have to worry about it messing with any of the screen. All right, it's just all the typing, everything is just fine. So you can go back, do everything what you need to do. Screen quality is just fine when you are talking about typing on it. Everything just fine. This is just a nice, simple screen protector. Gets the job done for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. All right, so I'll go ahead and leave the link down in the description below to pick yourself up one. If you got any questions about this screen protector, also let me know in the comment section down below. You know I'm heavy up in there, but you already know, man. If you made it to the end of this video, man, let me see those flexes. Y'all be safe. Catch you on the next one. Stay tuned for a bunch of more Z Fold 4 accessory videos. Later.